y'all, it's Paige Leanne, also known as iheart.paige, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, definitely don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you won't miss out on any of these notifications, and let's get this started. Okay, y'all, so I ended up doing a voting poll and I had 3 choices. I'm going to put those on the screen so y'all can see for the ones that did not get a chance to vote. It was really a quick voting poll. I think I did it for maybe 1 to 2 days. So it was really quick. So if you didn't get a vote in, don't worry. I'm sorry. It's just, it is what it is. The ones that did vote are the ones that are controlling my videos. Which one's coming first? So y'all will be seeing this video second. This is the leave-in conditioner that I'm trying for the first time. This is new to me. I'm not saying it's a new product. It's just new to me. I haven't ever tried it. I've been wanting to try it. Here I am trying it. The first video, which y'all would already have seen before this video, is my starting my waist training journey. So I'm not even gonna talk about that because if y'all follow me, y'all been watching my videos, y'all already seen that video. It is what it is, y'all. It's going down. But this video, I am going to try the Shea Moisture. Yes, y'all. It's a long story about, if y'all hear background noise, it just started raining, like pouring. And I kept saying to myself, like, it looks like it's gonna rain. It's so gloomy. It's raining. But y'all, it's a long story about me and the Shea Moisture. I ended up trying, to make it short, I ended up trying one of their shampoos and I hated it to the point where this is my second product that I'm trying. I literally hated it. It knotted up my hair so bad. Like, y'all, my hair was the worst. I really didn't think it was any coming back from it. I was so mad. I threw it away. I'm not even gonna lie, I actually did. No, I forgot. I didn't throw that one away. I actually took it back. Yes, I took it back to Walmart and got my money back. I sure did. Because I was so mad, y'all. I wasn't going for it. So this is my second product I'm going to give a try because so many people have said so much good stuff about it. I ended up using it on face hair first. And normally I don't try new products on her hair first. But because her wash day was before mine, I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I did a little sample test on my hair and then I was like, okay, it doesn't look like it's doing anything. So I did on her hair. Whoa. That's all I can say, y'all. Her hair loved it. Like, absolutely loved it. So I cannot wait to see what it's going to do with my hair. So I'm starting off on my hair freshly washed. I ended up doing deep condition and everything already. I'm just gonna part my hair off here. Nothing too fancy. I'm going to end up doing probably about 8 sections because I want to make sure my hair is well and moisturized. So when I twist it up, I think I'm gonna go in a protective style. Like, you know, I don't want to keep on just going back and forth with a whole bunch of styles. I'm like, moisturize it, leave it alone, let it grow. So that's kind of what I've been on. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is coming down outside. Okay, so I'm just going to section my hair off. Okay, so I ended up putting this back on my head because, y'all, my hair be drying too fast, like, for real. So I've come up with this idea that it's actually best to just keep it, the moisture in this way for as long as I can. So here is what it's looking like. Why does everything I try look like, it looks so yummy? It looks like yogurt or it looks like pudding. But yeah, I'm using a good amount because I just feel like my hair needs it. Because like I said, y'all, it's been like 2 weeks since I've washed and did my hair. So that's probably about the the amount that I'm going to use. Oh, it's really creamy. Wow, yeah, it's really creamy. I like that. I love creamy products. Love it. So yeah, that is what we're working with. And it actually smells like vanilla pudding to me. Or either I'm just craving some vanilla pudding, y'all. Which one is it? If y'all have tried this product, does it smell like vanilla pudding to y'all as well? So I'm just going to finger detangle and rake that through. And wow. Wow. Like, the slip is stupid crazy. It's just like how it did with face hair. Stupid crazy, y'all. Look at that definition, though. Like, y'all peeked that, right? It's not just me seeing this, right? Okay. Just making sure. So, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to finish off with putting my DIY. I'm really trying to see which one this is. Y'all do so many DIYs. My bathroom counter is stacked with DIYs and different stuff and different products. But I'll put on the screen which one this is because I don't think this is either it's not the Shea Moisture, and I don't think it's the aloe vera one either. So I'm going to just put on the screen. I think it's just my regular butter that I do prefer to use a lot. So I'm using a good amount of that. And make sure I coat my hair well. I've been focusing a lot on my ends, y'all. And I think that's another reason my hair has been growing as much as it has. Because I've just been focusing a lot on my ends here lately. And I'm going to end up using my Wild Growth hair oil. Y'all, I was so freaking amazed at my hair growth, and not only my hair growth, but this product. This is definitely going to be a staple in the rest of my natural hair journey until I find another product like this one. This is a first. I love the texture. I love that it's creamy. I love my definition from it. The moisture. The moisture is the main thing. Y'all, my hair held moisture literally until my wash day, which was a full week. I did not have to re-moisturize my hair or anything. I kept it in these twists, and I kind of just pulled them back into a bun. I wore them up under my wig. So I did a lot of different styles throughout the week, but my hair held moisture. So y'all definitely have to go check this out. I'm going to put this in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, y'all go check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share. Sharing is always caring. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.